yourself. Only you want to enjoy yourself. You not said whether we enjoy the song, whether we not enjoy the song, whether people when they for house enjoy the song or they not enjoy the song. You have to fool yourself. You have to enjoy yourself. They carry abacha eyeglass. Look like abacha.
He's just a feeling.
Now you know they see the hair where Abacha get. Anyway, now good evening and welcome to the night show. My name is Nedu and of me, Katim and Easybit as usual. Don't sit down to make sure say your evening goes so happy new month to everybody. This is like the 1st of February for 2016.
Now in case you didn't start your new year with your new year resolution you can restart it again.
If you restart them today. Because some people after they give themselves new year resolution after 1 week. The thing scatter 1 week self too long. Some people are the next day and they forget say, oh, my new year resolution.
No, I want to start again. I want to start. January been betrayal month.
Start again
your
this month of February.
Yes.
Start so again this month of February.
You have 10 months left.
Anyway, today now Monday and Monday like never before. Now this one be because today starting for February 1, we say we go start new account today for open our eye on top plenty things we concern your law, your right as a human being on top.
Do you know you are right?
Do you know you are right on top of...
No, they know you are
different
wrong.
law matter, whether police rights or tenant or...
Whether house right. Say,
house
you know
right.
Say you get right in your house for you to count that money.
Or boyfriend and girlfriend rights.
Yes.
Husband and wife rights. As you as a man now,
right.
What is your right?
Yes.
Because your wife will talk something, you say no. According to the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
yes.
That is not entrenched
in the Constitution.
One guy, police stop him for road. Now, he always carry the one police constitution that they are book. He can carry Nigerian constitution too. Come put them for back of income. Anytime police stop him, say, "Oga park." You no. He go say, and he knows some kind words for the person. Oga, your constitution, paragraph 2, subsection 3, it says that a policeman shall not do this. Hey. You get your call stretch, collect the book. I have your law. Oga, they go. They go now. Because I know, Oga, they go.
No, I need to explain.
No, I need to tell you, even the law.
Yes.
1999 Constitution. Oga, I go shoot you. They go.
At the same time, you get people who know they believe say that law they work. You tell someone now, you say, I bet for that thing they do.
Because plenty of on the way they road not know na law.
No,
you don't know it.
Today, want to change that in your life.
From today go now.
Yes.
The person will go bring, will go sit down for you today. He go the open an eye.
Very well. Your inner eyes.
Your right to slap anybody when you are either you're a slapper or slappy.
Yes.
Your right will come out.
So tomorrow you can tell your landlord, I'm going to take you to court.
Landlord, I know my rights.
See you in court.
Right.
But wait, that matter when they said if they give you quick notice. Because some people go tell them, you not pay. How they'll give you quick notice? You go there 3 months. But some landlord not go tell you 3 months.
They go tell you back that just now, yours
and
now.
And you get some landlord, we go give you, some landlord now, you don't go use drive for house. Hey, look at name. Kesolo! Kesolo! Ẹgbẹ́ ni mo pè ọ́. Tí bá ti pè ọ́, kó máa dáhùn. Kó máa dáhùn.
Rise up this very moment.
Rise up.
Wherever
Back
you are.
out.
Back out. Then Kesolo just get up like something.
You I go carry the property, put for CMS roundabout. What happened? I don't know. I just wake up and I just find myself here. And that matter, wait, that thing where they say many people they collect 2 years rent. So landlord not agree.
No, some landlord, I don't know. It depends on who they pay that 2 years.
Don't go tell you say my brother did that in Lagos State government and then build my house for me.
So you can imagine, say you be that person when with your rights, you say, landlord.
In Constitution of the Tenancy Law.
Page 167.
Some section 2.
Yes.
Section 5.
It says.
Paragraph AB.
Yes, listen. You as a landlord shall and will not notify...
But you know, say, law, they can their language. You shall and your landlord, whereas...
Waiting be, you can't be like waiting for
inside say, no, pursue am. Simple. The confusion of the English, that many people don't even understand. Because I can leave that law.
Even like they read King James version of the Bible.
Thank you. The Lord are King James.
Where comment down?
Where comment down? Landlord, where thou hast go? That thou hast giveth thee a quittance notice. Package thou out of thy abode.
You can imagine say your landlord come your house, say, I want to see you. Tenant, pam, pam. You go say, then you go open the hair. Tenant, you go say landlord. Where cometh thou? You go
Where
say
cometh thou? No.
You know say landlord don't ready to fight, but by the time you hear, yes, landlord.
The open door.
Where cometh thou?
Landlord. Those are different type. Now 2 ways go do this thing. This one now, landlord. Welcome thee to my abode.
Yes.
Thy may
thy waka.
May thy step.
Yes. Bring forth progress and fruition.
And then if you come enter,
Fruitfulness.
when you come sit down, landlord, sit us down.
Yes.
What bring us down
Hey.
into my abode?
Don't forget landlord.
Landlord say, which you go outside, check this stuff. Go outside, check the car. She be lame.
Then you go say, tenant, I better stop this thing. I don't come to play. You go say, courage, brother. Do not
down.
stumble.
No. Verily, I say unto you.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.